Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. This gets you into the authoring canvas immediately. Add a get file or get contensive URL action to fetch audio, or select play sound for built-in tones. Make sure you grant any media or network permissions so the file is accessible. Once done, place the audio action near the top so later logic can reference it. This avoids missing files and prevents runtime failures when you test playback. Now you wire the actual playback. Add play sound or play media and connect it to the file or URL output from the previous step. Configure volume and loop settings and select an output device if available. This ensures consistent audio behavior. If you need conditional playback, wrap the play action in if or wait actions so the sound triggers only when criteria are met. Make sure variables are passed correctly, otherwise the action will run with empty input and nothing plays. Finish by running the shortcut end-to-end. Listen for timing, volume, and whether the correct clip plays. Once satisfied, convert it into an automation with your chosen trigger, time, location, or another shortcut so it runs automatically. Make sure to enable Ask before running if you want control. If nothing plays, check permissions first, then confirm the file path or URL, and finally verify device volume and output. This single troubleshooting step catches most playback failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.